So here you have it. It's a Pioneer CT-M55R. As you can see, the door opens very nicely. I've got some cassette tapes up here, so let's get through. Chris Rea, Foreigner, great album. Which side's this? Slippery When Wet. And finally, Robert Palmer, Heavy Nova. Incredible album. A-side, Points Left. They all pop up, indicating that they have been loaded. So let's go through random. It does a little animation to show that it's playing in random. And look at that. Now, I've just inserted a bunch of cassette tapes that have been in my Walkmans and this other tape deck. So they're not all actually rewound. Hopefully. There's a button right here. Oh, we need to hit stop. Should be close to the start. I was wrong. There we go. So that one's now rewound. Goes to the next tape. And it does the same thing, you get the picture. That one was already rewound by the looks of it. Let's stop that. Let's reset the counter. Now there are different modes. Oh, minutes and seconds. Okay, that's quite clever, I like that. What else do we have? We can do scan. Will this scan for the songs? Yes, it will. Okay, that's a really nice feature. That's the reason why I bought this bad boy. Dolby B and C, all of the reverse modes you'll ever need. It's actually a bit of a shame you can't turn that off. And you know, not that you'd ever want to turn it off, but when you're recording, it's a really nice feature to have, especially because there is no auto reverse when you're recording. You don't have to flip the thing, but it will stop recording before it will reverse, which is a bit irritating. Timer, different settings. Relay record, don't know what that means. Recording bias, recording level. I wish the bias actually affected the playback bias as well. Yeah, so I always forget that that's the play backwards button. Very unnatural. But isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it.